Is your prostate trying to tell you something? If you're over 45, you might be noticing some changes. Frequent trips to the bathroom, especially in the middle of the night. A urine stream that's not as strong as it used to be. Or maybe you find it difficult to start or stop urinating. These aren't just minor annoyances. They're signals from your body, and they're important signals you should never ignore. Let's talk about the prostate. It's a small gland about the size of a walnut, but it has a huge impact on a man's quality of life. As we get older, it's very common for the prostate to grow larger. This is a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH for short. Now, benign means it isn't cancer, but it can still cause a lot of problems. This growth is often triggered by natural hormonal shifts and low-grade, chronic inflammation that builds up over the years. As the prostate expands, it puts pressure on the bladder and the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine out of the body. This pressure is what causes all those frustrating symptoms, the constant urge to go, the weak flow, and the feeling that you can't fully empty your bladder. It can disrupt your sleep, affect your confidence, and just make daily life more complicated. When faced with these issues, many men turn to medication, and that's completely understandable. Medications can provide relief, and they are an important tool, but they often come with a trade-off. Some common side effects include dizziness, fatigue, a persistent feeling of low energy, or even a decrease in libido. This has led many doctors and nutrition experts to recommend a more holistic approach. They're now emphasizing the power of diet and lifestyle changes to work alongside medical treatments, providing a more complete support system for prostate health. The goal isn't to replace your doctor's advice, but to enhance it by giving your body the foundational support it needs. This is where a simple, natural drink can become a powerful part of your daily routine. Now, let's be very clear. This is not a miracle cure. It won't shrink an enlarged prostate overnight. Instead, think of it as a daily nutritional investment, a habit that nourishes your body with specific compounds known to support prostate health from the inside out. This drink is formulated with ingredients that are packed with antioxidants, potent anti-inflammatory compounds, and properties that help you stay properly hydrated. These nutrients work together to combat oxidative stress, which is a key driver of aging and inflammation. They also help promote healthy blood flow to the pelvic region and provide gentle support to the entire urinary system, making its job just a little bit easier. So, how exactly does this drink help support your prostate? It works by targeting 3 fundamental factors. First, it helps reduce inflammation. As we discussed, chronic inflammation is one of the main culprits behind prostate enlargement. The natural compounds in this drink help calm that inflammatory response. Second, it supports hormonal balance. Certain plant-based nutrients, known as phytonutrients, can help the body regulate how it metabolizes hormones like testosterone, which plays a role in prostate growth. Third, it promotes improved circulation. Good blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and carrying away waste products. By supporting healthy circulation, this drink helps maintain the overall health of the prostate gland and surrounding tissues. When you consume it consistently, day after day, this drink gently supports all 3 of these areas without putting any extra stress on your body. It's a gradual, steady approach to wellness. Now for the practical part. How and when should you drink it? For the best results, aim for 1 glass every day. Consistency is far more important than quantity. Drinking more won't speed up the results. It's the daily habit that counts. The morning is an ideal time to have it, as it sets your body up for the day. Early evening is another good option. However, I would recommend avoiding it right before you go to sleep. Since it's a hydrating drink, having it too close to bedtime might lead to extra nighttime bathroom trips, which is what we're trying to reduce. Remember, natural support works with your body's own pace. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient and give it time to work. To really supercharge the benefits of this drink, you can pair it with a few simple lifestyle adjustments. These habits work in synergy with the drink to reduce the overall strain on your prostate. First, stay hydrated with plain water throughout the day, but try to taper off your fluid intake in the evening. Second, cut back on processed foods, excessive sugar and red meat, as these can contribute to inflammation. Third, make daily movement a priority. Even a brisk 30-minute walk can significantly improve circulation and overall health. And finally, try to limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the hours before bed, as they can irritate the bladder and disrupt sleep patterns. These small, consistent changes can make a world of difference over time. Before we go any further, it's crucial to share an important medical disclaimer. This drink and these lifestyle tips are intended as supportive measures. They are not a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. If you are experiencing severe symptoms like pain, see blood in your urine, or have been told you have rising PSA levels, it is absolutely essential that you consult a healthcare professional immediately. Your doctor can provide an accurate diagnosis and guide you on the best course of action for your specific situation. Natural remedies work best when they complement, not substitute, professional medical care. Taking care of your prostate is a key part of maintaining your long-term health and vitality. By being proactive and supporting your body naturally, you can make a real difference in your daily comfort and quality of life. If you're ready to take that step and want the exact recipe for this supportive drink, including the specific ingredients, precise quantities, and important information on who should be cautious or avoid it, we've EP'd it all together for you. All you have to do is show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, Health Hub. Then, just drop the word prostate in the comments below, and we'll get that information to you. Your health truly deserves daily care. Start supporting your prostate today naturally, wisely, and consistently. Thanks for watching.